Good day, parents and students. We recognize that not all of you were able to be present with us this Wednesday via Zoom. Please take advantage of the video presentation that has been prepared for you. It's a snapshot of the happenings of the Whitney Institute Middle School. If you have any questions, queries, or concerns, please do not hesitate to call the main office at 292-1021. We look forward to interacting with you in the near future. Thank you.
Magnanimita cruciam sustine. Keep the faith with the greatness of spirit. Welcome to the Whitney Institute Virtual Open House. We hope that you enjoyed the presentation. The Whitney Institute is an aided school. What is an aided school? The Whitney Institute Board of Trustees owns and manages our 8-acre campus and the buildings on it. The Bermuda government utilizes the campus to provide one of its public schools and provides grant funds for its operations. The WIM's vision: to unlock the potential in each student. Our core values are respect, responsibility, and resilience. The WIM's mission statement: the Whitney Institute Middle School provides a safe, disciplined environment where all students can experience academic success, social maturity, and become responsible, caring global citizens. The WIM's commitment: to develop students academically so that they can be equipped for the local and global markets. To develop student athletes, to develop socially and civically minded students, to foster a sense of pride in oneself and one's heritage, to foster a culture of community and giving of oneself.
Good day, my name is Joaquin O'Connor, and where we are going. Our ultimate goal: the BSD, senior school graduation, the Bermuda College, dual enrollment, IGCSE, GCSE, City and Guild certificates, A-levels, Cambridge Checkpoint, ABRSM certification. WIM's Essential 20. Adapted from Ron Clark's Essential 55 at WIM's Manners Matter. For example, use yes sir, no ma'am when answering an adult. Say thank you within 3 seconds after receiving something. Make eye contact. When someone in the class does well, we will congratulate that person. We will not suck our teeth, roll our eyes, or show disrespect with gestures. What is good enough at WIMS? We have the Cambridge curriculum that follows the standard-based grading 0 to 4. We also have City and Guild's curriculum percentages 0 to 100.
Here are all the subjects that are offered to M1 students: English, Math, Science, Social Studies, Physical Education, Health, Fitness, French or Spanish, Design and Technology, Art, Family Studies, Business Studies, and Reading. At WIMS, we offer athletic programs to all students. This includes swimming, netball, football, cross country, volleyball, rugby, track and field hockey, basketball, cricket, and softball. All inter-school athletics have been suspended due to COVID-19. We also offer extracurricular programs that include the Renaissance Club, Drumline, Band, the Divas Book Club, Teen Peace, Girls Night In, and Boys Night In. However, some programs have been suspended due to COVID-19. Our school officer, PC Terry Lynn Painter, aka PC Keep It Real, occasionally comes down to the school to ensure that all staff and students are safe and are abiding by the law. Here are some of our community partners: the Hamilton Princess Hotel and Beach Club, St. Mark's Presbyterian Church, the Coalition for the Protection of Children, Mirrors, the Bermuda College, Dejavon Painter, Lines Barbershop, and Anonymous Partners. We also offer the Bridge Award program to all students. This includes the Middle School Duke of Edinburgh program levels 1 and 2. However, this program has been suspended due to COVID-19. At WIMS, we give back to our community. Normally, M1s are required to complete 10 hours, M2s 15 hours, and M3s 20 hours. But community service hours have been amended due to COVID-19, and all 3 year levels are currently required to complete 5 hours. Some community service activities include KBB cleanup, charity walks, for example, breast cancer, diabetes, Zoom Around the Sound, middle to end, Christmas tree decorated at St. Mark's Church, participation in the May 24th Heritage Day Parade and events, race marshalling, International Race Weekend, and track meets, water starts for road races, and tagging. However, some of these activities have been cancelled due to COVID-19. Now we will hear firsthand from some of our M1 Student Council members.
Good day, my name is Ngozi Chawon. I am in M1 group. I have my ups and downs at Whitney, but to be a good M1 student, you have to be respectful to all of your teachers, be responsible, and remember to be accountable.
Hi, my name is Maximus Lightborn. I am a present student in M1 at the Whitney Institute Middle School. There are lots of teachers, and you'll have to remember their names.
My name is Sierra Falca. I'm in M1 Blue, and my tip for middle school is to not be late to class because you will miss information and you need to write in your book.
And now we'll have the WIMS virtual tour, courtesy of the WIMS M3 Student Council. Good day, parents. Welcome to the Whitney Institute virtual tour. Before we begin, I would just like to say that we are very excited that you have considered to join our school family. We look forward to seeing you and your children in September of 2021. First up, we have the main entrance of the school, which is located on Middle Road. Entry without a face mask or facial covering is prohibited, so make sure that yours is on security. Here we have the main office. Inside the office we have the secretary desk, where you can place orders for gym uniforms and your books that you will be needing for school. Just upstairs from the main office, we have the school library operated by our librarian, Mrs. Westhead. The library is currently closed off to all students due to COVID-19 restrictions. As you stroll through the M2 and M3 block, you will observe that classes take place all throughout the day. Next up on our virtual tour, we have the midsection of the campus. Just outside, we have the main field used by the M2s and the M3s for leisure time. Then we have the gymnasium, and we also have the assembly hall, which is used as a cafeteria, but is currently closed off due to COVID-19 restrictions.
This is the Clara Navarro side of Whitney Institute.
Here is the M1 field at the back of the school that was originally used by the M3s. After deciding to move the M1s here, this field was used as a way to enforce COVID-19 protocols. On this side of the school, classes take place for mainly M1s throughout the day. On this side of the school, we have our encore classes, which include foreign language, visual arts to get crafty, music to express yourself, and back on the main side of the school, we have design and technology, and we also have family studies, which is currently closed off to maintain COVID-19 protocol and safety for all students and staff. Back on the Clarendon side, we have what we call the fitness lab, equipped with professional exercise equipment and activities for leisure time. Lastly, we have 4 computer labs just like this one, located all around the school. 1 in the M1 block, 2 in the M2 and M3 block, and one in our library. Thank you so much for joining us on our Whitney Institute virtual tour. From our school family to your family, we would like to wish you a blessed evening and safety during these tough times. Final thoughts? We look forward to working with you and your children this 2021 to 2022 academic school year. When Spartans Wells unite, they can tie up a lion. Meeting adjourned.